Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I just wanted to come on and do a quick video for you guys. I wanted to share some of the new things that I have in my store, but I also wanted to share what I'm restocking as well, things that have sold out. And you can see all this beautiful lace here in front of you. I do have new laces in my store. This one I did have in my store before, and I've gotten a few more yards of it. It did sell out. And these are the laces from the company in England that makes the lace, or had made the lace for Princess Diana and Kate Middleton's royal wedding gowns. This is this company, and their laces are beautiful, unique, gorgeous Clooney laces. So this one sold out before, so I do have a couple more yards here. I don't have much of this one. I'm trying to get more, but there will be a couple more yards by the time you see this video in my Etsy, and of course the link to my Etsy is in the description box below, so you can go over and check that out. So there's that one, and this is a new one in the store. Gorgeous little lace, and I have several yards of this one. This would be great for going around your images. Wait a minute, I'm showing it to you backwards. Look at that. There we go. It's so pretty and so delicate, and these are the softest laces, and they feel so vintage. That is one of the things that I love about getting laces from this company, is that they remind me of vintage, because they use the patterns that they used back in the late 1700s. That's how long this company's been in business, and they use the same patterns that they used back then, and so that's why I love them. So there is that one, and I've got quite a bit of that one. This is a new one, and I kind of gasped when I opened it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Pretty sure that's the right way. This is 3 3/4 inch wide. Isn't it beautiful? But you could cut these flowers out each. You could cut those out, and then you would have this area at the bottom here, the scallop that you could use for a trim. And then you might be able to do something with the top here as well. There's also these little pieces in between that are you could use for like flower centers. So there's a lot you could do with this lace. It's absolutely gorgeous, and doesn't it look vintage? I mean, this is made with very high quality thread. It's just absolutely stunning. It looks like old bobbin lace. I just love it so much. So there is that one, and I will be getting more. I'm working on that. So, and then this one, oh, another beauty. Look at this. I think this one is 3 inches wide. Let me just check here. Yeah, that's about 3 1/4 inches wide. And this one is a beautiful white color, and it's got the top stitching on it. I mean, you could cut each of these motifs out. And there's the little flower there. You could use the bottom part of the lace. Like, again, there's a lot you could do with this lace if you cut each of the sections out. Or you could just gather this. I mean, this would be so beautiful gathered. It's so incredibly soft, this lace. Look how beautifully it gathers. That would be beautiful on a wall hanging or a fabric book. Just really, really stunning lace. I love it. And then I did get a little bit of black just to see if anyone was interested. This one is going to be sold by 2 yards at a time. So you'll get 2 yards of this, not 1. The other ones are 1 yard. So this one will be 2 yards. So if you buy like 2 sets, you'll get 4 yards. So, and it's again from the same company in England that made the wedding dresses for the royals. Again, same soft, high quality, gorgeous lace. So I have quite a bit of that as well. And then I was going through some of my other laces and I came across these two, and I am going to list them in my Etsy unless somebody wants these. This one is 55 inches long. So I'm going to be selling all of it, and it's a dusty blue color. It's a beautiful lace. It, again, very good quality. This one's vintage. So all 55 yards will be listed in the Etsy. And then this one is 50 inches long, so you'll get the whole 50 inches of this one, and it's a double layered with the off-white and the dusty blue. So they are all in the Etsy, all those gorgeous laces. So hurry over and get some of those because they didn't last long last time. And then, of course, you guys know that I have doilies, and I just wanted to show you which ones I have. So I do have these ones still in stock. And again, there's four images on each one, and this is the one that I sent to Roseanne, if you saw Roseanne's video. I have this one that I'm going to list today. I have two of these. So I'm going to be listing these two, and these ones sold out last time, but I only have two left now. I was saving them for something, but I'm going to list them. So if you're wanting these two, they'll be in the Etsy today. I restocked this beautiful, lovely girl that everybody loves, and again, there is 4 on each napkin. So it's a good deal. You get 4 of them. And look at these beautiful roses in the middle. So pretty. So let me fold that back up. This is a new one. I love this one when I found it. It's got the script, it's got Paris, the Eiffel Tower, the beautiful flowers, 1900. And it's like a dove gray with the white and the beautiful flowers. This would look amazing if you did like a crackle technique on a box and then Mod Podge this over top. It would look so good. I may do that. I love doing that technique with napkins. This one is now in the store. Super pretty. Look at all those flowers and these beautiful vintage ladies having tea. It's really, really pretty. I love this one. And then we have these ones. This is a beautiful ballerina with Paris. And then 28 Rue de Cherise or Trevis, which is a street name. Rue means street. And beautiful pink ballerina with the music. Love it. Love her. And then I've got some beautiful angel napkins in this time as well. A couple of these have already sold. So I only have 3 of this particular one left, I think. But isn't it beautiful? And again, you get the 4 images. So great if you wanted to make some holiday decorations. These would be beautiful for that. And here's another cherub one, which I love. And there's flowers, and they're mailing little love letters into the flower there. It's so cute. I love that. Very shabby muted colors. I love that one. And I've got several of those. I've got, I think, 4 or 5 of those. This, oh, I love. Love, love, love. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Gorgeous angels. And again, there's 4 images. You can see there's 4. So pretty. And then there is this one of this solo angel, but isn't she so pretty? I love these angel napkins and the vintage ladies on here. I just love them. Oh, there's more of the girl. And then this one I got for the art journalers. I love this. I'm going to probably use one of these in my art journal. This is a rendering of Gustav Klimt, Adele Blockbauer. And they made a movie out of this painting, actually. Who was in that movie? Helen Mirren and somebody. I can't remember. But anyway, they made a movie. I think it was called Woman in Gold. And this is the image. But I just thought this would be such a great napkin to use in an art journal. So I do have 4 of those. And then last but not least, probably my favorite, which is this gorgeous lady with the Eiffel Tower in her pink dress and all the beautiful script. I absolutely love this napkin. And again, there's 4. So you get a lot out of one napkin. So those are the napkins. So let me just put those aside for a minute. And I also have some really cute little appliques. These are little bunnies. And you're going to get a set of 6 in a package, and they're only going to be $1. Like 6 for $1. And if you love Peter Rabbit, then these would be the ones for you. But they're also good for baby projects. They'd even be good for winter projects like Christmas, because bunnies are wintry and they look very cute on Christmas decorations. They'd be good for spring or Easter projects. You could use them on even just a shabby project they'd be cute on. But wouldn't they be adorable on a baby project? So there is 6 of those in a set, and I think that's it for the moment. Yeah, I think that's it. And what else is new? I will be live on Tuesday. Yay. I haven't checked out the new way to go live yet. So I may test that out tomorrow. But, because I'm not sure quite how to do it. So I'm going to have to check that out before Tuesday. So you might see me pop up live tomorrow for a little bit. But other than that, I think that's it. And if you've ordered the kits from me, thank you so much. Everything's going to get shipped out on Monday. If you've placed an order with my Etsy, also everything is going out on Monday. And if you place an order today, that will go out on Monday. So please check out my Etsy, and the link is in the description box below. If you're interested in the shabby chic kit that I just put up the other day, I have 2 left. Everything else is sold out for the moment. There will be more kits next week, but I haven't gotten those together yet. So other than that, I will probably pop up tomorrow, and then I'll be live Tuesday. Oh, wait a minute. I do have something else I'm putting in my Etsy. What am I thinking? When I was organizing, I came across this kit I made like 2 years ago. I had one left, so I'm going to pop it in my Etsy. It's a really cute little kit. I knew I forgot something. This is like a doily wall hanging kit, and it comes with the image. You get 2 of these beautiful square doilies for your base. You get a whole bag full of goodies, which are the little clay flowers, some rhinestone chain bling, some silver flat backs, some white flat backs, pink doodad flower, and one of the pearl and bling embellishments. You get a butterfly applique. You get 2 of these little vintage doilies, a rose wedding applique, this gorgeous piece of lace. This is beautiful lace. Absolutely beautiful. Vintage doily, vintage doily. 1 yard of this cream and with a gold thread lace. Beautiful piece of dangle trim, which I do not have this anymore at all. So whoever gets this, that's like the very last piece that I even own. I want to try and get some of this for my Etsy. But you get a piece of that. You get a piece of this fringe dangle. You get a piece of this beautiful lace to make a bow with. And you get this giant applique. And all of that is only going to be, let's say, $8 in my Etsy. $8 in my Etsy. So all of that, the laces, the napkins, the bunny appliques, everything will be in my Etsy when you see this video. And that's it for me for today, guys. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Take care, everybody, and have a good day. Bye.